Hello students, this is Professor Sudarshan Pawar from Tuldaram Chaturchand College, Baramati. In this academic year, you have one most important subject, that is auditing and taxation. In this subject, you have two parts in this subject, that is auditing part for first term and taxation part for second term. So we are going to discuss about the syllabus of the only first term, that is auditing syllabus of this subject. So students, the first topic of this subject is introduction to principles of auditing and audit process. In this topic you will learn about definitions of audit and auditing, nature of auditing, objectives of auditing, advantages of auditing, types of errors and frauds in auditing, various classes of audit program and audit notebook, and also audit working papers, internal control, internal check, and internal audit. That concepts you will learn in this first topic. Second topic is checking, vouching, and audit report. In this topic, you will learn about various concepts, that is test checking, then vouching of cash book, then verification and valuation of assets and liabilities, that is how to verify the assets and liabilities and how to value or valuation of that particular assets and liabilities, that you will learn in this topic. And then qualified and clean audit report, then you will learn in this topic, that is audit certificate, difference between audit report and audit certificate, auditing and assurance standards, that is first, second, third, fourth, 28th and 29th auditing standards, that you will learn in this topic. The third topic, that is company auditor, and in this topic you will learn about the qualification of company auditor, disqualification of company auditor, appointment and removal of company auditor, rights, duties, and particular liabilities of that particular company auditor, that you will learn in this topic. Then fourth topic is about tax audit. In this topic you will learn about the definition of accountant, then scope of auditor's role under Income Tax Act, then compulsory tax audit, then you will learn about certification for claiming exemptions, then you will learn about selective tax audit, then you will learn about tax consultancy and representation, then you will learn about pro forma of computerized systems, and the last topic is, that is audit of computerized systems. In this topic you will learn about the auditing in an EDP environment, planning and audit in a computer environment, problems encountered in an EDP environment, general EDP control, then EDP application control, system development and data transfer, audit practice in relation to computerized systems, then computer assisted audit techniques, that is CAAT. In this topic you will learn about various concepts regarding computerized systems in auditing. So students, this is the syllabus for first term about auditing. This is the most important subject in this year, and in this subject you will learn about the practical knowledge of auditing and taxation, and this knowledge is useful in day-to-day life of ours. So this is the most important subject for third year BCom. You will learn about in this subject the various concepts of auditing, and in second term you will learn about various concepts and how to calculate the taxable income of particular assessee or taxpayer, that you will learn in this subject. So this is the most important subject for third year BCom, and you will learn about the practical knowledge of auditing and taxation. So in next video we will discuss and we will start about the first topic, and then we will start the regular online lectures in the Google Classroom or Zoom platform or Google Meet platform. So stay tuned, stay connected, and thank you so much.